everybody, welcome to the show. JB here. I hope you're having a great holiday season. Happy holidays to you. I just had a huge box come in from Amazon, and this is the new Amazon Astro. So we're gonna see what this is, what's in the box first, and then we're gonna take that out. Amazon Astro is their first consumer robot, so it's gonna be really interesting to see what we do. So step one, it says peel label and remove clip. So let's go ahead and peel label. Okay, so there we go, and remove. There it goes. Okay, so we removed it. That's step one. Step two, remove label and take out clip. Okay, we did it. Okay, there's the two. And then step three is lift the handle to the top. Okay, here we go. It's coming off. There we go. So what do we have in here? We've got a start here. It says, okay, so it says one, plug in the charger. Place the charger on a flat surface against the wall and free of obstacles. Two, wake Astro. Set Astro on the floor facing away from the wall and gently backwards into the charging dock. And three, follow the on-screen steps to power this bad boy on. Sorry, I was running the microphone there. You might have heard it. So let's take a look at what we got in the box. This is, I don't think anything. That's nothing. So let's take a look in here. We've got a thing. Let's see what do we got in here. Open me first. Okay, let's roll. Let's roll. Charger inside. So let's see, what do we got? We got the Astro welcome kit. Okay, so we got to open that up, see what we got in here. I did not do an overhead shot today because this box was just gigantic. And I knew this sucker was going to be big. Okay, here's the welcome guide. And we have in the welcome kit, welcome guide, 8 Astro theme clingers, a charger template, determine where to place your Astro, and a protected ring sticker. So here you go. So that's really what I want this for, is the security aspect of having the robot in patrol mode, checking out the house. That's the game plan. We got some stickers. Boy, they gave us a ton of stickers. Look at this, tons of Astro stickers, and a template on where to put the charger. Okay, so we're gonna go do up that after. I already know where I'm putting it. I'm putting it next to my Roborock robot. So there's that. So we're gonna put that back here, and let's see what we got. What does a charger look like? Let's go ahead and take that out. Okay, and here's the base. It says open it this way. We're gonna open it. Like I said, I didn't do an overhead, guys, I'm sorry. But here is the charger, and it's pretty much typical, like any robot, pretty typical charger. Let's move over to Astro, kind of see it there. See the charger, just standard charger. Some things to try with Astro. Get Astro moving, get the party started. This came with that, and then also this is a kind of where to put the charger description here. So we've got the charger here. What else is in the box? We got the cable. Oh, this is the back for the holder of it, and then obviously the cable. So that's what we got in that box. Okay, so that's the charger cable, and then this goes in the back of the Astro. The Astro itself is over here. Let's go ahead. It says it's lift, and then we lift that up, and then we have mist, cameras off and on, volume up, volume down. That's all there, and then here is the Astro. So let's take him and take a look at him. In plastic, looks pretty good. And here he is. Ooh, he's heavy. He's not light. Boy, that's a heavy sucker. Right now I can only do one floor. It is in beta, so it's going to be interesting, but that is the Astro. You can kind of see he's got his head, and it spins pretty good. It rolls pretty good. This is actually a drink holder to bring drinks. You can put this in the back if you want. There's a USB in the back. It could throw like treats to your pets. So I just stick that in there for now. That sits in there, and you can put a beer or whatever in there. I'm not drinking much, as you know, on this channel. We do a lot of non-alcoholic stuff. But it's definitely got a circular feel to it. We'll see if we can get over my threshold. I'm actually building a threshold for my robots, because I do have a robot cleaner, which we'll do a review on later, a Roborock. But this is the Astro. So let's get upstairs. Let's get the cameras set up. Let's take a look at it and get it set up for the first time. and see what it's like. We'll let it turn on and see the first kind of security robot, home robot from Amazon. Really interesting device. Kind of cool. See that? Pretty neat. All right, let's get into it and let's check it out. I'm in the final part of setup, and it's taken me just 5 to 10 minutes. It hasn't taken me long, so we're going to do the home setup right now and see how this works. So we got it set up, and the main thing I want to see is, can the app really like go into a room and figure things out? So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's go into the app, and let's go to viewpoints, go to conference room. So we're going to send it to the conference room right now, and let's see if how it works. So it's behind me, and we're watching it right now. So it's going to the conference room. I hear it. Here it comes. There it goes. I see it to the right. It was out round and around anyways by itself there just a minute ago. I don't know where it was going, but let's see what happens. We can see it here. It's going to the conference room. I've got the video going. And this is really what I want it for. If I'm not around, I want to be able to see, what's the video like? What, does it work? Is it something useful? Is this going to work for me? So there you go. It's checking the conference room out right now. You can see that, and there it is. So it parked itself in the conference room. Let's go ahead and see if I want to see something on the table. Let's see if we go to the camera. Let's take off that protein shake. You don't need to see my reminder. So if I go to camera, let's see what happens. Let's go to big view. Okay, so now we've got camera. Let's go ahead and go. And like with all my videos, I just do it live with you. Let's go ahead and adjust. Let's take the periscope high and see what happens. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so the periscope, saying no internet connection. It's weird, but I know I got internet connection. So there's 1. Let's go up 2. Okay, it's taking it up a little bit higher. 3. Okay, it's a little slow, but it is effective. Okay, so let's say, oh, it's taking it back down. Why are you taking it? Uh-oh. And I lost it. That's weird. Okay, let's go back up a little bit again. Okay, there we go. And let's go ahead and look on the table and see. Oh, wrong way. Let's go the other way. There we go. Did I leave something on that table? Okay, pretty cool. And you can kind of see by looking at this kind of where we're at. So let's stop view. Okay, we're going to go back in, and let's go to the living room. Okay, so here we go. We're going to send it to the living room, and it's going now. So here it comes, and it's alerting anybody it's letting people know, and here it comes. It's coming through. The cat's running away from it. It's in the hallway right now. Okay, it knows that. It's coming through pretty quick. It's got a live view going. There it goes past me, right behind me. There's a little dog toy in the way. Let's see if it goes around it. Yep, went around the dog toy. Nice. Okay, so it's in the living room. Okay, so if I go to camera again. Okay, there we go. So now we can adjust from here. That's kind of cool. And there is Neo. Let's go up a little higher. We can see Neo up on the sofa. He's looking at it. So he's taking a look at it. Let's talk. Let's see if we can talk. Hey, Neo. Hey, Neo. There it goes. Okay, let's turn off talk. That's not good. Okay, I turned it off. Let's go back to camera. Ooh, that's annoying. I shut that off. Okay, let's go back to camera and see. So it's a little buggy. I don't know why it's saying no internet connection. I know I have internet connection. Let's stop view. Okay, let's go back to app. Hanging out in the living room. Let's go ahead and go to viewpoints. Oh, you can create a new viewpoint. That's kind of cool. Okay, cool. So click here to start live view. Let's see if we can see it again. There it is. And starting soon. It's alerting anybody nearby, so I guess that's an alert it gives. So that's good. And there is Neo checking it out. He's looking at it. Let's see what Neo's doing. He's like, what's going on over there? Oh, he knows the cats have come up. So cool. That's what I wanted to see. Is this something that is going to work for me? Is it something that would be interesting for you? I know it's beta, it's very rough, but having like a remote control camera is what I'm really interested in. Pretty cool stuff. Astro, return to base. So I'm in the office conference room right now. We're just getting the table put in. This is a big Lincoln table. You can kind of see it here. We're getting this thing put in. Excited about the conferences we're going to be doing here. Astro is there, heading back to the back there. We're going to give it a shot. I don't know. It seems a little buggy in just the first take of it, but like I said, what I'm looking for is security. I'm looking for a robot that's going to be, constantly, checking the house, at night, going on patrol, and it just gives you that extra layer of security. Do I mind if Amazon is getting that information? No, I really don't. Some people do. I don't care. I'm running a retreat center business. That's what I do. I don't think they're going to do anything with my information as it's running around. But for me, I can get the view on my phone and then really be able to see what is happening around the house when I'm traveling, or if I'm just out at the grocery store or something and Neil is out and about, I can kind of see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and try this out for a few weeks, come back, shoot another video on how it's working and what I've been using it with. And that way you can kind of see, is the Amazon Astro worth it for you? I mean, this is going to be a $1,500 device. It's in beta now. Doesn't have a lot of functions. I don't care if it dances or not. My big concern, does it see Neil? Does it see the pets? Can it patrol the house? That's what I would use it for. So really interesting device, pretty cool. Thought I would shoot a quick video, kind of go over a little bit of the setup here. Give it a few weeks, we'll see how it works, see if we like it, and I'll come back with you with a review and an update in a few weeks of using it consistently every day. All right, as always, thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like this type of content, and I'll be bringing you a lot more. We're getting the studio and the office done, as you can see, little by little. We're almost there, and I can't wait to really start rocking this channel and this community. All right, well, have a great one. Merry Christmas, happy holidays to you. Thanks for being a part of this community. Hey, you made it to the end. Thanks so much for watching. If you check this out right here, you can subscribe to the channel, which always helps us out, and then you can watch the next video right here. You rock. Thanks for being you.